food with our mental health has a very big connection. Our gut microbiome has a very large connection as well with our mental state. And the food that we ingest, the better it is, the more whole it is, the more real it is, then our gut microbiome is thriving as well. So our mental health with food allows our body to naturally release more of those neurotransmitters. Those neurotransmitters are happy hormones. Now, not every day we are happy, but if we can put in more of those real nutrients, then we allow for that more of a natural flow of those neurotransmitters to be released. When we're consuming more of highly refined sugar items, processed chemicals, anything with color agents, things that come from packages that taste absolutely absurd and are definitely as far away from real as possible, then that could be damaging our mental health and our state of well-being. So allowing your body to really eat well and enjoy the food that you consume on a regular basis is really going to improve and create more of that balanced mental health so that you can truly be the beautiful person that you are and showcase who you are from the inside out.